What is up, YouTube? Get him here for a Chainsaw Man double. I didn't do it last week. I had a bunch of shit going on, doing work, all this, yada yada. I don't care. But last chapter that I read, Denji came in contact with Makima, and everybody showed up. You know, every devil from the past that has been extinguished, I think, by Makima, or hold on, I haven't read it in like a week, so I just know they've all been extinguished, and they're no longer alive. Rize, oh, you know what I'm saying? Everybody, you read it, I read it, we know. Anyway, I'm gonna dive right in this because I want to see Denji pop off, dude, hardcore. So I'm going to get into this, see what happens. They are not humans, devils, or fiends. The name that refers to them was eaten by you and erased. Yet somehow their existence was not. One of many names you've consumed. Of the many names you've consumed, they are the sole exception. Do you remember? Oh, I'm not on it. Am I recording? Yeah. You fought the weapons devil and the four horsemen who are now here. At the height of the battle, you vanished before our eyes. It makes sense that we couldn't find you even with all our searching. You were living in a completely changed near-death form, but now we're finally reunited. Chainsaw Man, let's bring this long battle to an end. Bro, yo, let's go. Public Safety Devil Extermination Special Division 5 commenced the operation. Look at them all going at Denji, bro. Look at them all. Denji is going to fuck them up, bro. I'm telling y'all. Look at that. Ooh, bro. Hold up. Bro, that panel. You got Rize, bro. Oh, bro. Let's go. Alright, hold on. What's happening? What just happened? They just stopped. What did they do? Just stab into him? They just stabbed into him, then stopped? And then blew the fucking building apart. Go Benny's still down there dancing, bro. Ooh. Wait. Are they fighting or do they send him flying? Blasting through these buildings, bro. Oh, people aren't in there. Oh my god. Dude, Denji, bro. That panel. Bro. Yo. Did he just fucking wipe them out? Dude. Wait. Did he get a fucking suit on? No. Okay, I confused that. Okay. So he poofed behind him and then Denji popped up behind him. And just sliced that motherfucker up, bro. Oh. Okay. This looks unwinnable. Yo. That chapter, like, no dialogue. I just blew through that. That was like a fucking 4-minute thing. I don't even know if that was 4 minutes. Listen, bro. I told y'all. We knew this. He was gonna have no issue. None. Zero. Zilch. Nada. Not gonna happen. No issue with that. Like, no. Just no. He's about to fight Makima, right? He's just wiped them out. Right? I'm going right into this, man. 88 right here. All right. Burn for me, baby. Now he turned into Fire Punch. Blew the shit. This poor apartment building, dude. Looked like he jumped back. Oh. Just all these explosions going off. See, I must have been confused last chapter because the way they portrayed it, it looked like he just wiped them out. But they're still fighting. We got Rize fucking flying to the sky. Grabbing him by his little intestine scarf. Bro. He just chopped her to pieces, bro. Oh my god. Bang. Dude. Bro. She's doing the fucking power execution. Bang. 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 Dude. Sent this motherfucker out of orbit, dude. Yo. How long can Chainsaw Man hold his breath? You know, I say it often. Nah, because that's a fucking huge Fire Punch spoiler. I'm not going to say that. So, if you never read Fire Punch, I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to ruin it for you. But I see a similarity here. And what the fuck is he doing? Is he pulling his fucking heart out? What the fuck? He removed his heart, so he did. And he's... Yo, is he kicking it back down to earth, dude? He's a fucking monster, dude. Yo. Yo. This... Someone commented on my video. I think it was like... I don't remember what chapter it was. I'm sorry, I forgot who it was. But they said something about like, this isn't Denji anymore. You know what I mean? It's Pochita like reliving what Denji wanted to do. And more is as it progresses and I like go on, I 100% think you're right. 100%. Like, this is not Denji, man. Like, at all. I think he's lost it. Like, I parts of me hopes he's still in there, but like, this is just like he's just gone. I think. I hope he comes back. I love him. You know what I mean? He's a great dude. Went through a lot of shit. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep going. Eek, gak, gak. And look at him coming in. Gripping him up with the chains, bro. Makima included. Look at him. Ooh, with the slice and dice, baby. Shake and bake. Dude. The next chapter is October 16th. Oh, that's 4 days from now. Yo. Listen. Denji pops off, no capping. Man. Okay, so if Denji can erase devils from existence, is it possible he can bring things back from existence? Like, I don't know. It sounds really cliche to like say it and like think of it being a thing. But like, what if something that like he has with the erasing the existence of the devils? Like, what if he could, you know, like powers a fiend? You know, could he bring a fiend back into existence? You know, like it might be like over. Like, I don't know. That seems like really cliche, and I don't know how I'd feel about it. But like, it's a possibility. I feel like. I don't know. All I know is Makima's definitely not dead from that. She definitely didn't get killed right there. She's going to come back. And I think we're finally going to see the Chainsaw Man Makima fight. And I'm ready. So ready. Oh, so ready to go and see this. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you did, get him here. Chainsaw Man. I'll be back next week. 89. I might be back in 4 days. I'm gonna try to do them earlier. It's just so hard. I work so much on the weekends. So I'm gonna try and bust them out earlier. If I do, great. If not, thanks for watching and coming back like you always do. I appreciate you. I'll see you next week.